Okay guys, welcome back in my channel. Thank you for watching me and supporting my channel. Today I have another job on my friend's car. He asked me to do the service on the engine. It's a Citroen C1 2010, and he asked me to do another thing, just check something on the rear wheels. He said to me some noise coming from the wheels. Right, I already jacked up and tried to check what's going on there. So let me show you what I just found it. This wheel, basically, it should be easy to spin it, but unfortunately it can't be spinned easily. You can see how bad it is. Right, so you can see it can be turned easily. Right, so I have to take off the wheel and have a look in the brake system there first of all, and after that I can check for worn bearing, which usually happen time and time. So yeah, first of all, remove the wheel from here, and after that removing the brake drum there, and then we can see what the problem is in the brake. I think the problem's coming from the handbrake wire cable. I'm just guessing it's damaged somewhere, and that's why it's stuck, and basically the brake system still operating, which it shouldn't be like that because we already have the handbrake fully down. So yeah, let's have a look. So now we have to replace the bearing here, which is worn. I'll put the wheel on it and I'll spin it to hear the sounds coming out from it. That's the sound on worn bearing. I'm hoping you can hear this roaring sound coming from the worn bearing. When I replace the bearing, I'll spin the wheel again to hear that there will be no any sound coming out from it, because it's not worn, it's brand new. So yeah, stay with me. Okay guys, I smacked the well with my bigger hammer, and now you can see how rusty is there, and it's stuck there, so that's why I couldn't get out easily without the proper tool. There we go. Removed. Now the spare part here, put it back there. There we go. So now you just have to put it back there, tighten up them bolts on the back, and that's it. This hub will be replaced. Okay guys, I checked the torque specifications for tightening them bolts, and it says 16 Newton meters. I already set up my torque range, and now I'll tie them up to 16 Newton meters. So now all them 4 bolts been installed there. Now I refit the wheel speed sensor back there, and refit the brake system there, and everything will be done. Okay guys, I just removed the cable. I just want to show the problem is here. You can see how the shield been damaged there, day after day, when it's raining, and all that dirt from the roads going through there by the water and clogged it, and that's why it's sticking and couldn't get back itself. So now we replace the cable, and everything should be nice and smooth. So now let me show you how it looks like, the new one, the new spring, how it's still open, the old one how it's closed. You can see the difference between them. It's a quite big difference in length, and that's still pulling the handbrake, and it's still operating there. It's not get back itself, so that's the reason for replacing. Okay guys, so now let me show you what I've done. Just replace the handbrake cable here, which was damaged over there. Anyway, I showed you. I tied up all them 4 bolts here, refit the brakes in there, refit the brake drum here, and now I'll show how it works. Just spin it with released handbrake, how it's spinning nice and smooth. Pull the handbrake now. And the wheel, it couldn't be turned, so the handbrake operating nice and smooth. Released again. There we go. It works nice. It worked nice and smooth. So this bearing hub and the cable being replaced, job done. Refit the wheel back on it, and go other side for replacing the other hub.